Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own nachos using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients like tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and your favorite toppings. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's start layering. Begin by spreading a single layer of tortilla chips across your prepared baking sheet. Next, sprinkle about 1/3 of your shredded cheese over the chips. Then, add half of your desired toppings, such as cooked ground beef or black beans, distributing them evenly for flavor in every bite. Place the baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 5 minutes, or until the cheese is nicely melted and bubbly. Carefully remove the sheet from the oven. Add another layer of tortilla chips, followed by the remaining cheese and your final selection of toppings. This second layer ensures maximum deliciousness. Return the nachos to the oven for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, or until all the cheese is completely melted and slightly golden. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once perfectly melted, remove from the oven and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious homemade nachos with salsa, guacamole, or sour cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.